doing good at home. So today I'm going to start the very first lesson of the first flight of class 10. The chapter name is The Letter to God. This lesson is written by G.L. Fuentes and the full form is Gregorian Lopez Fuentes. So the story depicts the infinite faith of man in God. In this lesson, we are going to see how a man could have so much of faith on God. In this lesson, the letter to God, there are mainly three characters. Number one is Alancho, who was a farmer and also he is the main character of the story. Then number two is the postman who delivers the letter, and number three is a postmaster who is the head of the post office. So now we move on to setting of the story. The setting of the story is in a rural area in Mexico. So rural area means where you can see the mountains, rivers, fields. So this is a rural area. This story setting is in a rural area. The story begins with description of Lancho's house. So this is the starting of the lesson. So how the story starts? By the description of Lancho's house. His house was the only one in the whole valley, and his house was situated on the crest of a low hill. So his house was the only house there, and his house was where it was situated. It was situated on a crest. Crest means peak at the top. So it was situated at the top of the low hill. So from that hill, from where he could see his field. So from the hill he could see his whole field where he was sowing his crop. So Lancho knew his field very closely because he knew as his field always gives him good harvest. So every year, so this year also he was hoping that this year also his field is going to give him a very good result, very good harvest. And so this year also the field is going to give him a good harvest only if there will be a shower or a little bit of rain. But there is one condition: only if there will be a shower or a little bit of rain, then only this year he will be having a very much good harvest. So on that day, Lancho was only sitting and watching over the sky and predicts for a rainfall. So on that day, whole day he was sitting and he was hoping that rain will come. He predicts that he was looking over the sky and he was thinking when rain will come. He was predicting that the rain will come. So he was expecting a good rainfall. If you see in your textbook page number 3, then you can see one line there, that you can see this line on page number 3. Now we are really going to see a water omen. So this line you can see in the book that it is written there that now we are really going to see a water omen. So he tells his wife that the rainfall is coming, and on this his wife replies that yes, on God's will. Here is the first entry of the God, and even this line also says that even his wife was having a faith on God. So as he predicted, at supper time, it is during supper. Supper means usually evening meal or dinner also you can say. So during supper, his prediction turns true. You could see a huge mountain was coming towards northeast direction, and there was a fresh air, fresh everything, because it was first rainfall. So that's why the air was very much fresh and sweet, and he wanted to go outside to feel on its body. So as he predicted, he went outside his house to have the feeling of rain on his body. Now on page number 4, you can see this here. He compares the rainfall to the coins. You can see this on page number 4. So here as the rainfall starts, he compares the raindrops to the coins. Why he compares here to the coins? Because it would give him more prosperity, because by this he will have a good harvest, and after that he will be having money. So that's why he was comparing the rainfalls to the coins. So that's why he says that in the page number 4 you can see this line. These are not falling raindrops, these are new coins. So here he is comparing the raindrops to the coins. But his happiness could not last for a long time. As it was raining, there comes suddenly a strong wind, and along with that there was also a hailstorm. So Rancho's field was totally covered with hailstones. So everything, whatever crop he has sown there, so everything got destroyed because of the weather condition. So now Rancho was very much worried. Now what will happen? Even trees were left leafless and everything got shattered. Now Rancho was filled with grief. Now what will happen? How will feed his family? So everything was ruined. So this here is the end of the first section. You can see in your book that the story is divided into 3 sections. So section 2 will start in the next video. Thank you.